Hello, good day everyone. I'm going to present to you how I do my go-to statement. That is my requirement, or I should say my final project for my teacher. So we're here at the login part, which we have the enter username, cout enter username, and enter password with the cin user n and user p. So I choose these variables. So we have if user n or the username and user p is equal, it will read this part, which is the menu or our first identifier, the menu part, which is composed of calculator 1, bank 1, 2, 3 greatest between 3 number, 4 lowest between 3 number, 5 odd and even number, and we need to choose one. Cout choose one, cin choose. Then else, if user n is not equal to user p, then it will show the cout wrong username or wrong password. Then add line, then it will go to repeat. So our first go to repeat, which is here at the very top. So we need to do it all again if we go to repeat. So if the username and the user p is equal, then we'll go to menu part. So here we go to the menu part, which is we need to choose between these 5 categories. So we have to go for the calculator part. So first, if choose or equals to 1, which is the calculator part, here is the integers. I will explain it to you how operator become a char. So calq is our identifier here. So calculator part, enter first number, then cout enter second number, secnumcal, then we have here the operator, which is cout enter operator plus minus times divide. And we have here, if operator or the operator is equal to plus sign, it will go to the cout first numcal, which is my variable for first number in calculator, plus secnumcal, which is my second number calculator, then equals to add num, which is here. Add num is equal to first numcal or the first number in calculator plus second numcal, which is second number in calculator. Then it will go to again ask sum. This is my identifier, ask sum. Where is ask sum? Here is the ask sum. Cout, do you want to try again? Where it question yes or no. 1 is equal to yes, then 0 is equal to no. Then cin yes or no quest. So that is my variable. If yes or no quest is equal to 1, it will go to calq, which is at the very top part of the calculator here. You will enter again, enter first number, then enter second number, then goes to enter operator. But else if yes or no is equal to 0 or no, then you will go to ask menu, wherein it says cout, thanks for using me, add line, then cout, do you want to go in menu, which is the very top beginning, yes or no. Then if yn or yes or no quest is equal to 1, then you will go to menu part. Then else, go to the exit part, which is at the very bottom of this code. The if operator is equal to plus or operators, we have here the else if operator is equal to minus. It's the same as the operator equals to plus sign. Cout first numcal or the first numerical number minus secnumcal is equal to subtract num, which is subtract num is equal to first numcal minus secnumcal. That is an operator for minus. Then you will go to ask minus. So ask minus is my identifier. Here, ask minus, do you want to try again? The same question we have in the ask sum. Yes or no. 1 is for yes, then 0 is for no. Then go to calq at the very top of the calculator part. Then else go to ask menu, which is, it will say the thanks for using me and the question for if you want to go in menu part, which is at the very, very top. Say in yn quest again. Then if yn quest is equal to 1, you will go to the menu part. Else, you will go to the exit part. So, another thing, I use char for operator because it is not a number. It is a operator, which is my first error in making this coding, because I put int for operator, which is wrong. That is why I learned from it. And again, if the operator or the yes operator is not at this part, which is plus sign, like minus, times, and divide, it will go to the else part, which is it will show the operator is incorrect and try again. Then go to operator, which is operator, which is here at the second part of calculator. So that's for the calculator part. Next we have the bank. Second is the bank part. Else if choose or we choose the 2, or which is the bank part. So here we have the deposit, withdraw, check, balance. If bank choose 1, which is the deposit, you will enter an amount to our dep amount. So here we have the balance. Balance is equal to balance plus dep amount. Go to ask dep. Why it is balance equals to balance plus dep amount? we have here the balance of 0. Then we have here the balance, which is 0 plus step amount. If we go to, I will explain it later. Else if bank choose number 2, which is withdraw, then it will go to enter amount again. Enter amount again, then see in withdraw, then go to ask with. Ask with is similar to ask bal and ask debt. Why? Because it only says thanks for deposit for debt, then thanks for checking your balance for ask bal, then ask with, or the variable identifier, thanks for the withdraw, then it will ask if do you want to go in bank menu, which is 1 equals to yes, then 2 is equal to no, the same as the other identifier. If you say if yn is equal to 1, then you will go to the bank menu part, then else you will go to ask menu. Ask menu for if you want to go, thanks for using me, and it will see out, do you want to go to menu part, which is a very beginning. Yes, then 2 is equal, 1 is equal to yes, then 2 is equal to no. Then again, go to menu part. If menu is equal to 1, then else go to the exit part, which is at the very low part of the coding. So here, I need to explain here. If we do the deposit of 5,000, then this 5,000 is 0 is equal to 0 plus step amount, which is 5,000. Then go to ask debt. We're going to ask debt. Thanks for deposit. Do you want to go in bank menu? If we say yes, we'll go into bank menu again. If we deposit again, where is the bank menu? Here. Sorry, bank menu. The deposit will add to the previous deposit that you put in the deposit amount, which is 5,000. If you put 5,000 again, if you want to see the balance, then check the balance, number 3. Then it will provide the amount of 10,000, which is the previous, with the deposit you deposit now, and the previous one, which is 10,000. Then, thanks for deposit, then go to ask bal, which is thanks for checking your balance, then it will question you to go back to bank menu again. So that's the part for the bank. Then next we have the greatest between 3 number, which is the 3 part, or the third part. So here we have the identifier of greatest number. So we have to enter first number, which is first number, second number, third number, and lastly third number. So another if first number is greater than second number and first number is greater than third number. I used greater sign here for me to know what is the greatest number, and I used this logical operator and to include the other numbers, because we have 3 numbers to enter. So else if I go to ask great num, so ask great num, where's this identifier ask great num? So here we go. We encounter again the do you want to try again? Then we have the 1 is equal to yes, then no is equal to 0. So C in great num in. So if great num in yn, or yes or no, is equal to 1, you will go to great num. So where is the great num? Here, where is at the beginning of the greatest number part. Then else, thanks for using me, and line, then do you want to go to menu, which is at the very beginning, then 1 is equal to yes, then 2 is equal to no, then C in menu 2. So if menu 2 is equal to 1, you will go to the menu part, and else you will go to exit part, which is at the very last part of this coding. The same if second number is greater than first number and third number, it will say that greatest number is the second number. Then again it will set for the third number if the third number is greater than first number and second number. The same, this method is the same in the fourth part of our discussion, which is the lowest number. To identify the lowest number, I use the lesser sign, and again I use these logical operators and to add to know if the first number or second number is low, if first number is lower than second number and lower than third number. So we have here the C out. If the first number is lowest, then first number low is it will show the first number low, or the first number lowest. Go to ask low num, or the identifier go to ask low num is it will go to the do you want to try again, then it will say 1 is equal to yes, then no is equal to 0. So C in low num yn. So low number yn is equal to, if low num yn is equal to 1, then it will go to low num. Low num as at the part where the lowest number, we're in the lowest number part. And else, thanks for using me, and line, do you want to go to menu? 1 is equal to yes, then 2 is equal to no. If menu 3 or the C in part is equal to 1, we will go to menu part at the beginning part, then else go to exit part. So for the last, else if, we have T5, which is the odd even number. So odd even number, C out, enter number. So C in odd even num. So if odd even num %2 is equal to 0, then C out odd even num is even, and go to ask as even odd num. So what is this %2? It is called by 2 it is called divisible by 2. So if the number is divisible by 2, it will says that odd even num is equal to even, or it is even. Then we'll go to as even odd num, which is here. Asking again a question, if you want to try again, 1 is equal to yes, then no is equal to 0. Then go, if odd even num or the variable is 1, if it say yes, then you will go to again, here is in the part of odd even number. But if you say else or no, you will go to thanks for using me, then do you want to go menu, which is at the very top. If we choose menu 4 is equal to 1, it will go to menu part at the very top, and else it will go to exit part. That's it. So I need to demonstrate to you how it works. So we have here F11. So here, enter username. If we enter correct, if first we need to enter the wrong one. So 123 username password is 12. Oh, it says wrong username or password. Then enter username again. So we need to try the correct way. So here, so we go to the menu part, which is here. So menu, calculator, bank, greatest between 3 number, lowest between 3 number, odd and even number. So we have here the calculator part. Enter first number 5, second number is 2. It is any number if you want. So here we have the technicalities here. If we put 0, what will happen? It says operator is incorrect. Then try again. So enter operator at this very part, which is the plus, minus, times, and negative and divide sign. So we have the plus sign. Then enter. So we found the correct answer. So do you want to try again? No, we don't. So we have here the thanks for using me. Then do you want to go in menu? Yes. So we put the one part. So we have here the menu part. So next is the bank. So we need to deposit 1. Enter amount. Let's see if I do the right thing, or it will add from the previous deposit 5,000. So thanks for deposit. Do you want to go in bank menu? Yes. We need to deposit again. So 1. Enter amount 5,000. 5,000. Enter. So do you want to go in bank menu? Yes. So we need to check balance, which is T. And voila, balance is 10,000. So thanks for checking your balance. Do you want to go in bank menu? Nope. We're done in bank menu. So do you want to go in to menu? Yes. So next is the greatest between 3 number, 3. So enter first number, we have 5. Enter second number, we have 10. This number can be anything, any number, I mean. So 15. So we need to find where is the greatest number. The greatest number is third. Is 15, which is the third number. So do you want to try again? Nope. So do you want to go in menu? So yes. Then we need to try for the lowest between 3 number, 4. So we have 1. We have 25. We have 30. Enter. The lowest number is 1. So that's correct. Do you want to try again? No. For the last part, do you want to go to menu? Yes. So odd and even number, 5. Enter. Then enter number 23. Enter. 23 is odd. So do you want to try again? Let's try again to see if we can have the even number. So no, yes. Even number, I think 24. 24 is even number. So no, we're done in odd and even number. So do you want to go to menu? No. So we need to go to the exit parts, which is 2. No. That's it. Thanks for watching.